This rapid leftover turkey curry is a fantastic way to infuse life into your Christmas leftovers. The whole thing, prep and cooking, takes just 20 minutes. 5 minutes of prep, 5 minutes to fry some veggies, and 10 minutes of simmering. After which, you'll be rewarded with this delicious, rich, and flavoursome curry that will hopefully be your new post-Christmas go-to recipe. Sounds good? This is how you make it. First thing you're going to do is to chop up an onion and to slice a red pepper, and then you're going to heat a large frying pan or wok with some oil in it and fry them for about 5 minutes until softened. And then you just want to add some garlic and ginger paste, fry that for a further 30 seconds or so. Then you're going to add your dry spices. We're using garam masala, some chili flakes, you can add more or less depending on how you like it, and your curry powder. Then you want to fry that for about another 30 seconds to a minute before you add 200 ml of coconut milk and equal measures, that's 200 ml of passata. Then you want to add in your leftover cooked turkey, about 350 grams or so, just chop it up roughly, along with a half teaspoon of salt. Mix all of that through, reduce the heat down to a medium to low heat, and then all you're going to do is simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. And at this point in the video, if you could hit that like button, it would really help me out with the growth of the channel. Nothing to do with ego, it just means more people will see this video. Plate up the curry, garnish with some coriander, and get stuck in. So there we have it, super quick, easy, delicious recipe to use up leftover roast turkey, or even leftover roast chicken if you're watching this in the middle of July. Anyway, if you would like this full recipe along with some other leftover turkey ones, along with about 300 other high protein recipes, just click that link in the description below and you can download my recipes app. Drop me a comment below, let me know what you think of this recipe once you've made it, and come back again soon and watch some more high protein recipes. Thanks again for watching. I'm going to go and eat this. I'll speak to you later.